Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Gyro Vibe. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Gyro Vibe itself. Now this is a unisex vibrator and it can be used for both G-spot and prostate stimulation, so it can be used by him and her as well. It's a unique toy and it's very exciting for partners. It features two powerful motors, that's 3 vibration settings and 3 different patterns that provide intense stimulation. And due to the flexible ergonomic design, it's easy to use and insert, reaching exactly the right places. It's made of a body-safe silicone material for optimal comfort during use. And as you can see, has a slight curved shaft and a bulb at the top to provide wonderful stimulation and to reach those sensitive spots. Now the Nexus Gyro can be used very well and can be used hand-free because of the heavy ball at the bottom. This means that it stays in place and you only have to move your body back and forth. Now to turn on, we have 2 buttons just here. They each reflect a motor. Push and hold for 2 to 3 seconds and the vibrations already begin. Use that same button to change the settings. Let's turn on the other one. Now both motors are on and you can have lots of fun combining the 2 different motors. To turn off, push and hold down for 2 to 3 seconds again on each motor. And it is now off. The Gyro Vibe is also waterproof, so it can be used in the bath or shower for extra fun sensations, and is also rechargeable. Using your USB rechargeable cable, gently push in at the back of the Gyro Vibe and it will charge for you. Also included is a Gyro Vibe user manual to help you with your experience. When using the Gyro Vibe, we would highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. Make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Nexus Gyro Vibe. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we'll take a look at it for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.